Hello, I'm Joshua Farnsworth and welcome to my traditional woodworking school. In this video, one of our instructors, Bill Anderson, will be showing you how to put a stamp with your name and your location on a traditional hand plane if you're going to make a hand plane, or if you want to do it to one of your old hand planes.
We're at the point where the plane is basically done. There are some fine details that we're going to do to finish it out the plane. One thing I've done is to sand the heel and the toe of the plane with 150 and 220 grit to smooth those out and get them ready for the next step. I've also scraped the body of the plane using a card scraper, and I've used 220 sandpaper for that to get all this smooth, take out tool marks, pencil marks, dings, so on and so forth, get that out. And I've sanded and I've scraped and sanded the wedge and the handle here in the same manner to get them smooth and get them ready to be set into the body of the plane. The next step would be to stamp the plane on the nose with a name stamp. This is a very traditional thing that you see on planes, both with a owner's stamp and a maker's stamp. And I have a pair of stamps that I've had made for this purpose. So that'll be, and I like to do that before I put any of the handle and things like that on the plane, so it's just not in the way when I'm doing this, the stamping part. I'm ready to put the name stamp on my plane here. I've got a couple stamps that were made in a workshop that my friend Peter Ross runs on making tools for blacksmithing tools for woodworkers, and these stamps have one has my name on it, and one has the location stamp. Peter's strong enough to make a single stamp with this sledge and the stamp here, but I can't do that. I'm not strong enough, so I'm soaking my plane, the nose of my plane, in some denatured alcohol to soften up the grain a little bit. So let me go ahead and turn this around. Now these letters are backwards, so it's important that you have an orientation mark so that you get it the correct way. And this is one reason why you often see planes with the name stamps upside down. And that's that.
If you're interested in learning traditional woodworking, come take a class at our school in Earlysville, Virginia. You can also visit our website at WoodAndShop.com, where you'll find a bunch of free woodworking lessons, workshop tours, and our very popular tool buying guides. And make sure you subscribe to our free newsletter to get our latest articles and videos. Enjoy!